Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to fix an error occurred while checking for updates. Update check failed to start error, code 4:0xA0430817, system level. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Para ma-fix natin itong updates error, ang next step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan mo lang search yung services and then click mo lang as run as administrator, and then next dito sa services local ay hanapin lang natin yung Google Update. So scroll lang tayo, right? So ito siya, okay? So dito sa Google Update Services, i-click mo lang ito and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and then click mo lang tong properties. So dito sa kanyang Google Update Services properties, ang next dito lang sa start up type, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to and then select mo lang yung manual, and then next kailangan mo lang i-select itong start dito sa services status. So i-click mo lang tong start and then wait natin, right? And then click mo tong okay, and then next kailangan mo lang i-click tong apply and then click mo lang tong okay, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart mga kaibigan. So close lang natin ito and then restart yung PC natin. So click mo tong restart. After restart, and then back tayo dito sa Google Chrome web browser natin. And then click mo lang tong tatlong dot dito sa upper right side. And then check mo lang tong help. And then click mo lang tong about Google Chrome. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. Makikita nyo dito na kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. So click mo lang tong relaunch. Alright, so Chrome is up to date. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-fix yung error occurred while checking for updates sa Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.